If you're in the mood for some Italian sausage, then keep watching. I have a great air fryer recipe for you. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome. So friends, I have been wanting some Italian sausage. I buy the real big packs from the grocery store, and then I just break it down and freeze it. It is a icy, yucky day out today, and I don't want hubby out there cooking on the grill. So I decided to do some hot Italian sausage in the air fryer, and I'm gonna add some onion and pepper as well. So I thought I'd go ahead and share that with you. So let me stop talking, turn around, we'll go over all the ingredients, then we'll get started. Okay, so I have some salt, olive oil, I have 1 onion sliced up. I didn't do it too thin, I did them a little bit thicker. Excuse me, some garlic, black pepper, Italian seasoning, and I'm using hot Italian sausage. You can use sweet if you would like. You can add some pepper flakes to kick it up even more, but I'm just going to be using the hot Italian sausage. And then you only really need 1 to 2 peppers. I'm going to use half of each one of these and then slice the other halves up and throw them in my freezer, but it's totally up to you. You can use a green pepper, you can mix it all up and do a half of each one, however you want to do it. It's totally up to you and how much you want to use. So this is all the ingredients, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I have my air fryer. Mine I can only do in like 25 increments, so I have it on 375 for 3 minutes to heat up. So you would want to do it like around 370 if you can. I have myself a bowl here. I'm going to add just a tiny bit of olive oil in here. I'm going to throw my peppers in there. And you can tell I love onion. And we're going to throw a little bit of olive oil on top, about a tablespoon or so. And we're just going to mix that up. Make sure everything gets coated with the olive oil. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and take a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of some Italian seasoning, just a little bit of pepper for taste. Do a 1/4 teaspoon if you want. And then just a little bit more olive oil. And we're going to toss that all together, just like that. It smells good already. Alrighty, so as soon as my microwave is heated, we're going to put our peppers in for about 8 minutes. We'll put it in for about 4 minutes and then flip, then put it in for 8 more minutes. And then we'll add our peppers to it. I want this just to kind of sit and marinate a little bit. Alrighty. We are now preheated. We're just going to throw our sausage right on here. And we're going to put this in for 4 minutes, flip, and then cook for another 4 minutes. Okay, it's been 8 minutes. Now I'm just going to flip them over. Or 4 minutes, I should say, not 8. We're going to put them back in for another 4 minutes. And then when that's done, we'll add our sausage. Alrighty, can you all hear that? Okay, so we have our sausage. It's halfway cooked. Let's flip them again. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my onions and peppers and throw them on here. Okay. Smells delicious already. Alright, we're going to put this back in. We're going to cook it for about 4 minutes, and then we're going to flip it again. Alright. Ow, I just got electric shock. Smells so good. I wish you guys could smell this. Ugh. It really smells delicious. Yum. Ugh, goodness gracious. Alrighty, now I'm going to put it in for another 4 minutes. Alrighty, let's see where we... Ow, I keep getting an electric shock. It's so weird. Alright, now if you want these a little bit crispier, you can leave them in. Let me go ahead and get my meat thermometer. Alright, I have my little meat thermometer here. We just want to test this. We want it to be 160. Oh yeah, we are done. For sure. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's upside down. So these are done. And I think I might leave this in for a tad bit longer just to get them a little bit more. Let me grab a plate. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and take these out. Oops. Just going to spread this out a little bit more. I just want them to cook just a little bit longer. Not much. So I'm going to put them in just for about 4 more minutes, and then we will be done. Alrighty. We are done. Yum. Look at that. Ooh. I'm going to throw some on my Italian sausage. There we go. Look at that, friends. I'm going to let it cool and we'll do a quick taste test. Alrighty, we are all done. It is time for dinner. So let's do a quick taste test. They turned out perfect, absolutely perfect. Quick and easy as well. Very flavorful. So friends, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. Also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.